If you guys clicked on this video, you're probably shocked. Maybe you're not. We're gonna talk today about my 2024 fitness goals. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am the first person to say, I'm not a gym girl. I don't wanna do HIIT sessions. I don't wanna go and do workouts. I don't wanna do all that. I just wanna get my steps. That is how I lost all of my weight, is just having a 10K step goal. But just like I tell my clients and just like I tell you guys, you will wake up one day and want to do the healthier thing, and you should totally wait for that moment. And when you do have that moment, you should go for it. In 2024, I have these really big goals. I really want to become the healthiest version of me. I really want to prioritize becoming the healthiest version of me, but then also I want to build some muscle. I want to tone my body a little bit. I want to take advantage of just getting my body in the best shape and feeling really confident in my own skin and starting a fitness routine. The problem was I literally had no idea where to start. I didn't know where to exercise. I didn't know when to exercise. I didn't know how much weight to pick up. I didn't know how long I should be exercising for. How long do I wait between sets? What even is a set? I had no idea because that just hasn't been my world. I just don't live there. I was really looking for guidance on how to go about doing this, how to implement these healthy changes at a pace that felt really good to me in a way that I would actually stick to it. I didn't want this to just be like a fly by night, like, oh, I'm just gonna start working out and then give up after a couple of days. I really wanted this to stick. And again, these are big goals that I have for myself for 2024. And what I really wanted was to work with someone who already knows the answer to all my questions. I really just wanted someone to tell me what to do. And this goes back to 2013 when I first started my weight loss journey for the very first time for my wedding. And I literally said out loud to the universe, I wish someone would just tell me what to do to lose this weight, and then I will do it. And that's when I found the 100 book, and the rest is history. I kind of am recreating that, or I have recreated that now, because I literally said, I have these big goals. I know that I'm gonna put the work in to do it, but I also wanna know that the effort that I'm putting in is going to get me to my goals. I wanna know that I'm on the right track. I really wanted someone just to tell me what to do and how to do it, when to do it. I wanted all of the answers. I really just wanted it to be handed to me. And guess what, guys? I got that. That's exactly what I got. I am thrilled beyond measure to be partnering with Copilot Fitness for this video. And the best part about this video is that Copilot Fitness has an insane deal for anybody out there watching this video that is ready to also prioritize their health and crush their fitness goals in 2024. More on that in just a few minutes. But I wanted to give you guys a backstory about my journey with Copilot. So as you know, I am not a gym person. I had no idea where to start. I have actually been working with Copilot since November. I've been using this for months now, trying to just get into the groove, get into the routine of fitness, of incorporating this into my life, because I've just never done it before. So really, I had to want to do it first, and then I jumped in with both feet and said, let's do this. And you guys, here's something that I bet you never thought I would say, and I never thought I would say. I actually look forward to and love working out. I want to work out. Who is she? Who is this person? It's still me, but I'm leveling up on my health journey, and I am so excited to see where I go from here. When I first started using Copilot a couple months ago, I was using like 5-pound weights or just body resistance. I've worked up, which I wanted to do, to heavier weights. I'm using like 12-pound weights when I do my arm exercises. And I'm telling you, seeing the progress in such a short amount of time has been a game changer for my mindset to stay in it. I even started out with a little bit shorter of workout times, because I'm like, listen, I need to be around 20 to 25 minutes before I can I need to see those low numbers that I'm like, okay, it's gonna be over in 25 minutes, I'll be good. You guys, now I do 30, 40-minute workouts like it's nothing, and I actually look forward to it. It feels like me time. And I've accomplished this whole shift in the results and in my mindset in such a short amount of time, coming from where I started, where I would never even think to work out or want to work out, to where I'm at now, and I look forward to it, and I just feel better overall in my entire body. So Copilot Fitness made it so easy to jump right in. So when you sign up, you actually get matched with a coach. So it's not just like some random person is giving you workouts or an app is giving you workouts. No, you answer a few questions and you get assigned a real person, a real coach based on what you're looking for from a coach. And I got matched with Leslie because she is amazing. We had a Zoom call. We went over everything. We talked about how I'm going to be working out at home. I'm not going to be going to the gym. I'm just going to be using what I have at home. I have a few free weights. I've got a bench. I have a couple other little things like a treadmill and things like that for my workout equipment. She took note of everything that I have and we talked about workout. What don't you like when you're working out? Burpees. She's like, we won't do any burpees. And again, her positive energy and just the fact that we were creating workouts that, number one, I was going to enjoy, but then number two, they were gonna get me towards my goals. She knew exactly what my goals were, exactly what equipment I have, and exactly how much time I wanted to devote to working out every day, what days of the week I wanted to work out, and then she got to work and creates new workouts for me every single week. I never feel like I'm repeating the same workout. It literally feels different every single time. A rut that I used to get in previously when I would try to work out was I would do the same workout DVDs and I'd be like, oh no, here come the burpees. I hate this part. And it's so not like that in the Copilot Fitness app and working with Leslie. I enjoy it. You guys, I enjoy working out and I enjoy it the entire time. I love the warm up, I love the workout, and I love the stretches at the end just to wind down. And I feel like it has become a non-negotiable part of my day. So when we had our initial Zoom meeting, I immediately clicked with my coach, Leslie. She's just amazing. I love her. And she's also a mom. We kind of have the same positive vibe. We really clicked and connected. And then when she made me my custom workouts and I just was loving them, you can give feedback in the app if they're too hard or too easy. You can adjust everything. It just was such an easy process. And again, it made me grow to love exercising. And honestly, I'm so proud of myself for not only taking this next step towards my healthy lifestyle, but also sticking with it and implementing it. And the best part is, like, once I had my initial Zoom with Leslie and then I do the workouts in the app, it doesn't end there. We have a direct texting thread inside the app where her and I are messaging back and forth all the time. She's cheering me on. She's making sure the workouts are feeling good. She's making sure the scheduling feels good, making sure things aren't too hard and also aren't too easy. We're always going through and just evaluating and tweaking and making things better and better and better. And she's always making sure that I'm on track to reach my health goals. And as I advance in my strength, she's modifying the workouts so that it keeps up with my growing muscles and with my stamina and just with overall my improved health. It's also so easy to modify, move around your workouts. Life gets hectic. You really can customize this so perfectly for you and your lifestyle. And also when I need to move things around, it's effortless. It's so simple. Leslie's workouts are proof that when I'm ready, or when I was ready to level up my healthy lifestyle and just become the next level version of me, embody that next healthy level of me, that I can do it with ease. And you guys know, if it's not easy, I'm not doing it. And I always say, one day you're gonna wanna do the thing. Until then, do everything else. And that's what I feel like I practice what I preach. I've been doing everything else to become the healthiest version of me. Now the fitness part, I'm finally ready to tackle that level up. Copilot Fitness has been a game changer in my health and wellness journey, and it can be like that for you too. 2024 can be both of our years. Let's have 2024 be everyone's year to just become the healthiest version of ourselves, to level up. Now for the best part. Click the Copilot Fitness link down in the description box and get matched with your personal trainer and get 14 days for free. If I can go from a step girl to a full-blown fitness girl, you guys can do it too. Snag that offer for 14 days for free and become the healthiest version of you this year. So now that you guys know what I'm using to reach my fitness goals, I thought I would tell you exactly what I'm working towards this year. And the very first thing that I did, probably back in January, because I really wanted to do like new year, new me, and go into this year with like a really fresh outlook is I set some goals. So I set some short-term goals, and then I also set some long-term goals. If you're feeling inspired watching this video and you want to set some goals too, I have a free goal setting journal prompt always down in the description box of my videos. Grab that PDF, go set some goals. But short term, I really wanted to just keep it basic, because if I try to do too much at one time, I give up. It's like recipe for me giving up. So instead I was like, okay, what are some short-term goals that I can just have to keep it really, really simple? And the first one was I really wanted to aim to do the workouts 5 days a week, and that's it. Prioritize it, find a window in my day where it would make sense for me to kind of make a routine out of it, and then all you have to do then is implement it. So I put out there to myself, 5 days a week, let's do this. I also really wanted to have the feeling of my muscles not being super sore. So I knew that if I kept with this for a few weeks and now a few months, I knew my muscles would get acclimated. It happened so much faster than I thought too, but I knew that my muscles were gonna strengthen and I was gonna be able to feel it. So for me, this wasn't something I could measure. This was something that I felt in my body, and I felt it right away. I knew after I did a few workouts, a few weeks of workouts, my body was just like waking up the next day and I felt good. I didn't feel super sore. I felt like my muscles were getting used and strengthening. It just really, I could feel it. And that was something that I could measure mentally, and it was amazing. And then along with the goal setting, I wanted to really focus on keeping my diet consistent with helping me with my workouts. So high protein, that's been important to me, but now more than ever, I have to hit that 100 gram of protein per day goal no matter what, because I know protein helps you build your muscles. So I did a whole video about protein and how to get over 100 grams of protein per day. I have a whole playlist on this channel that you should definitely check out if you're wanting to implement more protein into your diet and don't know where to start or how to do it. I've got you. Implementing over 100 grams of protein per day has only helped me in my fitness journey, and now it just feels easy. It just feels effortless. Kind of how my workouts are now. It just feels easy and effortless. I know I've got a workout waiting for me 5 days a week. I know that if I need to tweak it, Leslie will help me, and I also know that I can fit it into my day no problem. I just had to find the time, and I did. It was there waiting for me. Now I maximize my day. And honestly, it actually makes me feel really good, because sometimes when we think, oh, I'm too busy to do that, or I don't have time for that, you just need to find the time. And I did, and I feel so good now that I've been so consistent with using the Copilot Fitness app and then just staying on track with my fitness goals, period, that it just empowers me to keep moving and keep leveling up and keep pushing forward. Along with high protein, water. Water and electrolytes have been a game changer for me. I always make sure to have my electrolytes every day, but I also make sure that I'm drinking a lot of water. I drink over 100 ounces of water per day now. It's so good for our muscles, it's good for our body, it's good for our digestion, it's good to release toxins, it's just great overall. So I make sure that I try to crush these goals every single day without fail so that I stay on track. And again, all of these things kind of work hand in hand. So getting the water, getting the high protein, prioritizing the workouts, eating good healthy food, eating my low carb diet, it all is just making me feel like the best version of me, which is exactly what I wanted. That's what I set out when I said New Year's Day, I want to be the best version of me every day this year, and I want to keep leveling up and keep getting there, keep reaching my goals. And I'm doing it. I can honestly say I'm doing it, and it's so exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's definitely gonna be more fitness content coming to my channel in 2024, along with all of the other stuff we talk about: diet, weight loss, healthy living in general, low carb lifestyle. So definitely make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do not forget to go and snag your 14-day free in the Copilot Fitness app. Best thing I've done in a long time. So definitely check them out down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon with my next video. Bye guys.